I'm in our neighborhood. It's about 8:30, March 24th, 2023. I just love this sound. I can just close my eyes and enjoy the sound of waterfall, enjoy God's nature. Just beautiful. This is Bolivar, Missouri. I'm in South Pike, just in our neighborhood, and Friday morning doing my exercise and getting my steps. We got a lot of flood last night. A lot of rain. We're gonna get more rain today. I'm just in my beautiful neighborhood. Anyway, this is just the creek here. Just beautiful. Look at the water. Okay. I walk here almost every day. It's raging water at the moment anyway. You see moss on the side. Okay, it's just so beautiful. Yeah, I'm going downstream a little bit. I'm gonna walk up here because I just love this area. Okay, it's early spring, so we got a lot of rain. Okay, yep. So this is I'm going downstream a little bit. All these are bedrocks right now. Do you see that? Yeah. So down there actually goes to our neighborhood. There, small pond goes to our university. Goes to SBU campus, and then eventually this water goes to Palmer de Terra Lake. I think eventually goes to Missouri River. Okay, just beautiful. Look, the spring is here. Everything's turning color, and it's just beautiful nature. I just love it. I love it. I can sit here for hours, just enjoy God's nature and explore God's nature. Yeah, I don't like to stay home just watching TV or do grading. I need fresh air. I was a country boy. I grew up in southern China. Yeah, you can take the boy out of the country, but you can never take the country out of the boy. Yeah, that's the saying goes. All right, look at the water here, raging water. So I'm with my boots right now. Yeah, the water is so rapid. Yeah, so I'm going upstream. Got to be really careful. Don't want to fall down or get myself wet. The water is not that deep. I've been here all the time, kind of know that. Yeah, but just the speed of the water right now. Just so beautiful. Look at here. All right, yeah. It's just a water sound. It's just so beautiful. Love God's nature. Yeah, I've been to many places, many countries. I like to travel to more places when I could afford. Okay, so I'm gonna go through here and go by the lake here. The geese still there, making noise. Okay, try to walk through the bushes right now. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, I get myself some room here now. Okay, the geese saw me again. They're just like making a lot of noise. Okay, just beautiful. Okay, wow, the water sound. Okay. Okay, the geese are there. Okay, so this is the dam. I helped the beaver to be really, yeah, see it's overflowing right now. Okay, the geese is over there. Hi, geese. Hi, geese, my friend. It's so beautiful. Okay. Love God's nature. All right, more rain tonight. Okay. Yep. Hi, geese. Hi, geese. Yeah. It's beautiful. Beautiful nature. Always remind me kind of like safari, Africa. I've been to Kenya. You see trees and plains, and again, we don't have that many animals, so big five here. But again, just nature, just so beautiful. All right, just love this place. Yep. Okay. Love our neighborhood. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Dr. DVD from Missouri. Adios. 再见. Sayonara. God bless you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.